Antelope Canyon is a narrow canyon in the Navajo area, near the town of Page, Arizona, United States. It divides into two main parts: Upper Antelope Canyon, Top Antelope Canyon, and Lower Antelope Canyon, Lower Antelope Canyon. Both are famous attractions for their flat and soft stone walls, creating unique bands of color and light as sunlight enters through narrow ravines. Antelope Canyon was created by the natural force of water and wind over thousands of years, creating a unique and beautiful rocky space. Visitors often visit Antelope Canyon by taking guided tours organized by the Navajo indigenous peoples.